How to buy meme coins in 2024. Now, meme coins are a huge narrative, and many speculate that we're going to see a meme coin super cycle in 2025. So just want to make this super kind of quick, easy, like a 2-minute guide if I can do so, because I know your time is very precious. So firstly, when you're on CoinMarketCap, you can look at the top meme tokens by market capitalization, and you can go through a list of some of your favorite meme coins. But of course, when you're looking at this, for example, if we click PopCap, this isn't going to allow you to actually buy the coin right here. You're just looking on CoinMarketCap at the coin that exists. And honestly, I'm pretty bullish on PopCap. But what you can do is, you've got many examples like Pepe coin. You've also got Bonk coin, a very popular meme coin as well. You can purchase these quite easily, and it's not as hard as you think to get into crypto. So how would I go about buying a meme coin in 2024? Well, firstly, you need a good exchange. You need an exchange that has utility, it's highly liquid, it's secure and safe. And the one that I'm using right now is Blowfin. I'm going to drop a link down below so you can get started today. And if you sign up with my link and when you make your first deposit, you'll be entered to a $500 giveaway. So for example, we want to buy, let's say we're going to buy PopCap. We want to do it right now. What you need to do is click on the Blowfin link right down below. And when you're on the Blowfin website, you'll be making an account. And once you've signed up and made your account, that's fantastic. It's a no KYC, fully globally accessible exchange. You're good to go pretty much. Once you've made that account, you click buy crypto in the top left. And what you'll end up doing is actually depositing fiat into the exchange, and you'll receive in return USDT or something like that, where you can buy your cryptocurrency. So for example, let's say you buy, let's say $4,000 worth of USDT, we're going to get $3,890, and it looks like you can use MasterCard or Visa or whatever you prefer to use to obtain those. Once you've done that, ladies and gents, you're then going to see within your funding account, you're going to see that you've now got Tether. And what you can do is with the Tether, which is pegged to the dollar, you can click the transfer button. And what you're going to do is transfer from your funding account to your spot account. And once you transfer from the funding account to the spot account, you're pretty much good to go. Very, very easy, like I say. So you'll go back to the front page of Blowfin, or if you're on mobile, you're going to find the spot section. And once you have done that, you're going to then see that you've got in the top left the option to change the coin. And we want to buy PopCap, so you just literally click PopCap right there. We can see the meme coin. This is the price action. It's newly listed actually on Blowfin. It looks like it's only been here for a little while, not too many days, but it's there, it's available. So if you wanted to buy, for example, Pepe, then we're going to change it to Pepe coin. And now we can see we've got Pepe here as a token that we could potentially buy if we wanted to, or if we wanted to get the Bonk token instead. You're just going to type in Bonk and you can see the pair over USDT. That is how you would buy a meme coin quite easily, very safely in 2024. Of course, you've got leverage trading as an option as well. If you wanted to then go leverage trade, let's say Bonk or even Pepe, maybe we can just look at Pepe as an example. Pepe USDT, we can do it on leverage. We can buy on isolated, and we can also up the leverage to large numbers, even up to 75x if we wanted to. So it's very simple to do so. If you do want to get trading today and enjoy some sign-up bonuses, make sure you do use my Blowfin link down below, which I'm really enjoying at the moment. Like I say, you've got copy trading, you've got earning, you've got trading bots, and you've got a wonderful choice of cryptocurrencies with this particular exchange. And it's always good to have the right exchange on board. If you're looking to also bolster up your earnings, you can check out my new crypto legend tier, which has been overhauled for you guys, which will help you earn more money from home, whether it's your laptop, your mobile, whatever you're doing. This should help you achieve time, location, and financial freedom, and give you access to some high value trading opportunities in this market that you can also enjoy whilst signing up to the Blowfin exchange. You can see a lot of our traders are making some huge gains in these markets. So we're doing our best to make some money for people. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, share with your friends. Peace, much love.